Hello and welcome to the progression section of the Morrisons Island campus website. This progression section provides all the progressions available from our many campuses, including our City campus, our Youghal campus, our Macroom campus and our West Cork campus. When you click on the View Links database on our progression section, it will bring us to this comprehensive database, which is an invaluable resource to show all the links from our courses to higher education. It works quite simply. You can see here that the Morrison Island campus course can be selected from our drop-down menu. You can take any of a wide range of level 5 and level 6 courses and select the course you might be interested in. For example, I'm going to take here as an example, I am going to look at applied psychology. I am going to search where I can go to after I've completed applied psychology in our college. What higher education options have I? And this gives us a comprehensive list of the options available to us in the different universities. It gives you the CAO code, the CAO course name, what year you'll enter, and what minimum grade is required, or alternatively, what subjects may be required. Sometimes you may have maths as a compulsory subject. So if you look down here, you can see that applied psychology has a huge amount of options. In particular, a very common example that our students like to do is applied psychology in UCC. To do applied psychology in UCC, you must get 4 distinctions and 4 passes in your level 5 course with us. That is the minimum requirement. But there are specific distinctions required. You must get distinctions in communications, statistics, or maths, either will be available. And work experience in UCC is not acceptable as one of the required distinctions. You can scroll down and you can see that MTU as well. You can do social care in MTU in Cork or Kerry. And as well as that, we have many links to UCAS to go to the universities in England. Or alternatively, you could go to a university in Holland. We have a range of links for that type of options. Okay, so not only that, so that was the applied psychology example course, but we have a second method of looking at links. There may be a specific course that you want to do in a higher education institution, and you want to know what course should I do in the Morrison Islands campus of my choice in order to do that CAO course to be successful. So the example I'm going to take here is Commerce in UCC. So if I scroll down and I find Commerce in UCC, CK201, that is the CAO code for Commerce in UCC, and I search the link courses, it will tell me the options of courses in Morrisons Island campus that I can complete that will allow me entry to Commerce in UCC. So I have a range of options, whether it be in the West Cork campus, the City campus or the Macroom campus. There are a range of options available to me. So as a first example, we look at business in the City campus. You would require, to get into year 1 in commerce, to achieve at least 5 distinctions. That's the minimum grade required. But there are specific requirements as well. UCC insists that you have a pass in business admin, or stats or maths, one of the 3 of those. And in looking at the 5 distinctions, work experience cannot be one of the distinctions. So that shows the range of variety of courses that you could choose, and each one would allow you advanced commerce in UCC. Another very common course is people want nursing, all right? So if we scroll down and we look at the different nursing degrees, we can see here we'll take mental health nursing in UCC as another example. So mental health nursing, obviously the course to do is either the nursing studies course or the nursery nursing studies course, both of which require a minimum of 5 distinctions and 3 passes, and very specific distinctions required for entry to nursing, all of which are completed on the Morrisons Island campus course. So this is an invaluable resource that is well worth using. You can search either through the Morrisons Island course, which is the range of courses that we offer, or alternatively, you can look at the course that you really want to do in your higher education college. And these are courses throughout the country, and they will show you what course you can complete that will be linked to that CAO course. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me at any time. you can reach me at progressions@morrisonsislandcampus.ie and I will be delighted to answer your questions. That's progressions@morrisonsislandcampus.ie. Thank you.